Welcome you to my channel, Let's Learn Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to convert your MOV file to MP4 file on Windows with free to a step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content like this, you will be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back. The first thing you want to do is to go to your address bar right here, and then what you need to do is to type in download.cnet.com and press enter. Then it takes you to this particular website right here. Then you have to navigate to the sidebar right here. Then on getting to this sidebar, if you are using Windows, you have to make sure you click on Windows. If you are using Mac, you have to make sure you click on Mac. But in this tutorial, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to select on Windows. Having select on Windows, next thing you want to do is to navigate to video right here. Just click on video. Then it takes you to this particular page. You can see Windows apps for video. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down, and then you have to make sure you click on any video converter. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on download now. Then if your download is not start immediately, you can click on restart download. Then your download folder will be prepared just like what you see right here. Okay. After a successful download, just click on the folder and press enter on your keyboard to run the setup. Then it takes you to this page. Just click on yes. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on install now. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on finished. Done. So you're going to have the software icon on your PC just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to run the setup. Just click on it and press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so it's going to load up the workflow like this. So alright, so welcome back friends. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on format convert. Then at this point here you have to select your MOV video. So I have it on my desktop. So here is the video right here. So you can see the file format is MOV file. So I'm going to select on that. Then I'll click on open. Alright, so immediately you upload the video successful, you're going to have it display right here, and the video detail is going to be displayed just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the output format right here. Click on output format, then make sure you select video, then make sure you choose MP4 movie. So you have it this way. Then from the quality right here, make sure you leave it in high quality. Then the next thing you want to do is to come down below here, click on start. Alright, after a successful conversion, then you have to click on view output file. So right here you have the video right here. You can see in MP4 file format. Okay, so you can see right here in MP4 file format. So this is how to convert your MOV file to MP4 file using your Windows laptop. A step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.